G'day, here's a small deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules millimetres, material's been wetted, the white's a reflection off the lights. Blue vein running through there. It's only thin, that material on the top. A piece like this I've just thrown in. Little vein, there's another piece there, don't think that's got anything in it. Got the veins there. Whether it pokes through or not, looks like it might. So you might end up with a little green stone in that one. Another piece on the end there. I think more of the brown might come out of that, but I can't guarantee. Little purple. Might have to get cut in half so you get rid of the left hand side. A bit of reds there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.